Most people think your credit score is a mystery, a black box designed to keep you guessing. But here's the truth, it's not a mystery. It's a formula. And once you understand the formula, you can manipulate it. I've spent years breaking down credit algorithms and analyzing the patterns that move the needle for thousands of people. I've seen exactly what works, and more importantly, what is a total waste of your time. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate credit score cheat sheet. We are diving into the 5 specific levers that actually move your score faster than anything else. And I'm debunking 3 common myths that are likely holding you back and keeping your score stagnant. By the end of this video, you won't be guessing or hoping for a higher number. You'll have a precise roadmap to a perfect score. Let's get into it. Ever felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? You applied for that dream apartment or a new car. You're confident. Then the email hits. Denied. And the worst part, you don't even know *Y. You've heard the generic advice. Just pay your bills on time. Don't open too many accounts. But you're doing all that, and your score is still stuck in the mud. It feels like a rigged game. A black box where the rules change the moment you think you've figured them out. While you're guessing, you're paying the ignorance tax. That's the extra hundreds, maybe thousands, of dollars you're bleeding every month in high interest rates. You're essentially paying a premium just to exist in the financial system because some algorithm doesn't like your utilization ratio. The internet is flooded with credit hacks that don't actually work, myths that waste your time and potentially tank your score even further. You don't need more vague tips or, trust me, advice from a random thread. You need the actual levers, the specific ones that move the needle, now asterisk. Here is the truth. Your credit score isn't a mystery. It's a math problem. Once you understand the levers, you stop guessing and start growing. Let's dive into the cheat sheet. Lever 1, payment history. This is the heavyweight champion. It makes up 35% of your total score. One single missed payment can tank your score by dozens of points. The fix: set up autopay for the minimum amount. Always. Never rely on your memory when your financial future is on the line. Lever 2, credit utilization. This is the fastest lever to pull for a quick jump. Utilization is just the ratio of how much you owe versus your total limit. Most gurus tell you to stay under 30%. If you want an elite score, keep it under 10%. If your limit is $1,000, try not to let your balance exceed $100 when the statement closes. Lever 3, credit age. The algorithm loves stability. It looks at the average age of all your accounts. This is why you should never close your oldest credit card, even if you don't use it. That old card is the anchor of your credit history. Cut it, but don't close the account. Lever 4, credit mix. Lenders want to see you can juggle different types of debt. A mix of revolving credit, like cards, and installment loans, like a car note, proves you're a pro. If you're starting from zero, this is where a credit builder loan app can be a game changer. Lever 5, hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a new loan, a lender does a hard pull. This drops your score a few points. Space out your applications. Don't go on a shopping spree for 5 new cards in 1 month. It makes you look desperate for cash, and the algorithm hates that. Now, let's kill 3 myths that are wasting your time. Myth 1, closing old accounts helps your score. False. As we just learned, it destroys your credit age. Keep them open. Myth 2, you need to carry a balance to build credit. This is the most expensive lie in finance. You do not need to pay the bank interest to prove you're responsible. Pay your balance in full every single month. Myth 3, checking your own score lowers it. Completely wrong. Checking your own score is a soft pull. It has 0 impact. In fact, using a credit monitoring service is the only way to spot errors before they ruin your application. Now, knowing the levers is one thing. Tracking them is another. If you're tired of guessing why your score dropped 10 points overnight, you need a real-time dashboard. That's why I recommend the tools in the description. They don't just show your number, they identify exactly which lever is stuck. Some of our community members have used these specific tools to jump from a 580 to a 720 in under 6 months by targeting the right errors and automating their builder loans. Stop playing the guessing game with your financial future. Click the link in the description to start tracking your progress today. Once you've got your tracker set up, hit that subscribe button. We're dropping a full guide on the best high-yield savings accounts next week, and you don't want to miss it. Go grab that tool, and I'll see you in the next video.